Division of a number by a two-digit divisor.
Let us learn to divide a number by a two-digit divisor. Divide 495 by 12 and verify the answer. First, divide 495 by 12. 495 divided by 12. The division is carried out from left to right. Step 1. Compare the digit at hundreds place of dividend with the divisor. Here, 4 is less than 12. There are not enough hundreds. So, write 0 at hundreds place in the quotient and club the digits at the hundreds and tens place, which gives 49. Now, 49 is greater than 12. The quotient will begin at tens place. So, divide 49 by 12. (49) divided by 12 gives quotient as 4 and remainder as 1. Write 4 at the tens place in the quotient. Step 2. Bring down the next digit 5 and club it with the previous remainder 1, which gives 15. Here, 15 is greater than 12. Put the next quotient at ones place. So, divide 15 by 12. 15 divided by 12 gives quotient as 1 and remainder as 3. Write 1 at the ones place in the quotient. So, 495 divided by 12 gives quotient as 41 and remainder as 3. The result of a division can be verified by using the following rule. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Here, dividend is equal to 495. Divisor is equal to 12. Quotient is equal to 41. Remainder is equal to 3. Thus, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to 12 into 41 plus 3. 492 plus 3 is equal to 495 is equal to dividend. Hence, the answer of the given division is correct. By following the same steps that are used in the above example, we can easily perform the division of the numbers up to 5 digit by a 2-digit divisor. Solve 54326 divided by 24. 5 is smaller than the divisor, so take 54. 54 goes twice in 24 table and left with 6. Now bring down 3 and club with 6. So the number is 63. Goes 2 times in 24 table and left with 15. Now bring down 2 and club with 15. So the number is 152. 152 goes 6 times in 24 table and left with 8. Now bring down 6 and club with 8. So the number is 86. "86 goes 3 times in 24 table and left with 14. No digit left to carry. So 54326 divided by 24 gives quotient as 2263 and remainder as 14. Let us recall. The division is carried out from left to right. We use dividend, divisor into quotient, plus remainder to verify the division. The remainder should always be smaller than the divisor. The number left over after division is called remainder. The answer of division is called quotient.